sa ating Pangulo in terms of foreign policy, sabihin ko sa ating Pangulo, ma'am, ang una niyo pong state visit dapat sa Beijing. You need to go to Beijing to rekindle the lost ties between China and the Philippines. Yan yung unang bansa, sa palagay ko yan yung unang bansa na dapat napupuntahan if ever Sara Duterte becomes the president in 2028. And by the way, as every day nakikita natin yung impeachment, maisingit ko na rin, Admar, araw-araw natin nakikita yung impeachment, araw-araw, for most days. Inaabangan ko yan dito, live, no? At siyempre, sa SMNI ako nanonood ng impeachment, hindi ako nanonood sa ibang mga network. At nakikita natin na as the day progresses, lalong nagiging popular at laging lumalakas si Sara Duterte. So hindi malabo, no, na pag tinuloy-tuloy pa nila yan, lalo lang lalakas si Vice President Sara Duterte. And who knows, no, she might become the next president. And if I have the ears of Sara Duterte, I would encourage her to actually go to China as her first official or state visit, no, pag siya po ay naging Pangulo sa 2028.